Hi guys, welcome to my very first YouTube video. In today's video, I'm just doing a very basic look. I started off with 3 primers, MAC Radiance, Sephora Mattifying, and Maybelline Poreless, and then also the new e.l.f. Jelly Primer. So I just use all 3 of those and rub them into my face. And then I'm using the Pete Louise Rumor Base in number 3. And I'll just take that with a dollar blending brush and just blend it into my lids. Nothing fancy. So after I've done blending, then I'll just take an LA Girl palette that I got from Ulta. I think the name of it is Feverish. Yeah, Feverish. And it's just a palette with some neutral browns and golds inside. So I'll just take that. And I'm using the 2 dark orange colors and then taking it and blending it in my upper crease. This is an e.l.f. palette, and I'm just taking the very dark brown shade, and I'm going to just pat that into my outer V, the corner of my eye, and I'll just pack it on there until I get the pigmentation that I'm looking for, just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. Then I'm just taking my blending brush to make sure I blend those 2 colors together, so I really won't have a harsh line just sitting there. Take some more of that orange pigment and blend it into my crease just in case I got rid of some of it while doing all that blending. Then I'm taking the NYX glitter primer, and I'm just going to put that on the part of my lid where I have no product. And I just apply this before I apply any glittery shadow, because this lets my eyeshadow really stick really well. So just applying it to both of my lids with some dollar makeup brush I have. And this is St. Alf palette, and it's just an orange glittery shade. And I'll just take that and pack that on my lid to the places where I applied that glitter primer. Just take my blending brush and blend it in so I won't have any harsh lines as much as possible. And now I'm taking a NYC liquid liner, and of course everyone knows that this has been discontinued for some years now, and so I'll just take that and draw a line on my lash line really don't know how to do a winged eyeliner yet, so just trying to do the basics. After that, I'm taking 3 concealers, Milani, 2 Makeup Revolutions, and 13.5 and 13. So I'll take them and first start putting them underneath my eyes in the dark areas, and then I'll put it on any spots that I might have on my face, just to give me some extra coverage. And I'll just let that sit there to get tacky. And while it's sitting there, I'm gonna take and do my mascara, and this is some mascara, Ulta brand mascara, and I'll just put that on my lids or my lashes. Then this is from Ulta. It's some Essence mascara, their volume mascara. So I'll take that and put that on my lashes. And now I'm just taking a buffing brush. This is a $1 buffing brush from Shop Miss A. So I'll just take that and I'll just blend in that concealer. And like I said, using the e.l.f. primer makes your face kind of tacky, and then letting my concealer sit there for a moment. When I blend it in, it doesn't move after, it's set and everything, which is good. So that means my makeup won't slide off my face. So then I'm taking some Maybelline Matte and Poreless foundation in shade 355 Coconut. So I'll just take a small concealer brush and lightly put it on the areas where I didn't apply any concealer. And then I'll take that same buffing brush and just blend it in. I know, looking at myself, I have the biggest forehead ever. And then this is a $1 beauty sponge, so I'm just taking it and blending in everything just to make sure I don't have any streaks or on my face from the foundation brush. And just using whatever was left over in that brush. I just hate to waste products, so just using whatever was left on that brush and blending it in. Then I'll take some Maybelline powder in medium, and it's kind of light for me, so I'll take that and use it as a highlight powder. So I'll put that underneath my eyes in just any area that I would like to see highlighted, and I'll let it sit there for a moment. And this is a bare minerals palette, and I'm just using the dark brown to smoke out my waterline. And this is Wet n Wild face powder in dark, so I'll just use that and put that in the areas that I didn't highlight. And some black radiance powder, and I'll lightly dip my brush in that and just blend all those powders together. This is an e.l.f. lip primer and plumper. It's like $2 at Target. And I like using this because this just allows my lip liner and lipstick to last all day. So I just applied that. Rub my lips together. This is MAC blush in Film Noir. So I'll take that and just put that on my cheek areas. Give me like a bronzy, since I didn't contour anything, just to give my face some shape and definition. I don't know what I'm looking for. What am I looking for? Oh, my eyebrows spoolie. I'll just take and just brush out my eyebrows. Get them back in shape. Man, this is a brown lip liner that I got from the beauty supply store. It's a really dark brown. Can't remember the name of it. The name is rubbed off of it. And I'll just take that and line my lips with that. Then I'll take this Wet n Wild nude lip gloss. Just put that on the center of my lips. And blend my lips together. And this is some mascara that I received in an ISPY bag. So I'll just take that and put that on my bottom lash line, or bottom lashes. And this is the NYX matte face spray. I'll take and soak my face in that. Spray, breathe, breathe, breathe. Spray some more. Yep. So, just letting it go. Then, taking my headscarf off, shake out my hair and stuff. And I'm all done. Quick, easy, simple, beginner-friendly makeup. I don't really like to do makeup. I just do enough. So, thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time. Bye.